Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Changan CS75 Plus, 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 12,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate 6, drive modes, eco, normal and sport, push start and keyless entry, infotainment system, 360 camera and sensors, panoramic sunroof, cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 159,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2023) model Geely Coolray Sport SE, 1.5-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 9,000 kilometers plus mileage, first owned, ending plate 6, drive modes, eco, normal and sport, all stock, all original, push start, keyless entry, paddle shifter, cruise control, panoramic sunroof, touchscreen head unit, active park assist, 360 view HD camera and parking sensors, cash price, 878,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 175,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2023) model Hyundai Palisade GLS, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 7K kilometers mileage, CASA warranty until 2028, first owned, ending plate 8, all stock, original, all-wheel drive, with paddle shifter, drive modes, eco, smart, comfort and sport, sunroof and moonroof, infotainment system, dual climate control, 360 degrees camera and sensors, captain seats, power lift gate, cash price, 3,398,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 679,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. 2020 model Isuzu MU-XLS, 1.9-liter RZ4E diesel engine. Automatic transmission, 39,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, LTO verified, good condition, 7-seater SUV, ending plate 9, all power, all stock, all original, dual airbag, touchscreen head unit, navigation system, with ceiling monitor, cash price, 998,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 199,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.